All right, ready, set, go. All right, thank you so much for staying over here at Kirkwood. We're going to be showing you how to use this machine. It was a gift from a guest. They left us a lot of this great coffee. It's really good, except that the machine is kind of strange to use, so I'm going to try to teach you to use it. If you don't want to use it, we have regular coffee maker, but this is if you want to have an espresso shot, go for it. First thing you want to do is plug the cord in over here. You plug it in, and when you do, the lights will turn on. This orange light just means that it's heating up. As soon as the orange light is turned off, it's ready to go. While that's getting ready, you might want to just check in the back to see if there's water. To check in here, you look down there, there's plenty of water. If you need to change the tank, you pull this filter out, you lift up the tank, and you pour water into it, okay? So coming back over here, it's still heating up. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare, these are called espresso, instead of pods, they're called espresso pads because they don't have plastic, although there's a lot of metal in the packaging. So we open this up. When you open it up, you look carefully on the pad, it'll say Illy. That's going to go facing up with the tab towards you. So the Illy label facing up, tab towards you. Now to put it in here, this lever has basically three positions: locked tight, somewhat loose, and totally open. Okay, so we're going to do it in the totally open mode. Right now you can see that the jaws in there are completely wide open. I'm going to put that right in the little space for it to where it gets received. And now I'm going to lock it tight. I go halfway down and then all the way down. It's nice and locked in. The light is turned off. That means it's heated up. I'm going to put this right in there and I pull my shot. There it goes. All right, my cinematographer here is going to take a video of the entire shot. So this will be coming to an end pretty soon. As soon as you start seeing the shot come out kind of clear, it means it's ready to stop. It doesn't have an auto shot, it's a button. So you actually literally have to turn off the button when you want water to stop flowing. So I just turned it off, and there's my wonderful shot. Now, I actually personally like double shots, so I'm going to grab another one. And this is where things get a little bit complicated. You want to put this coffee thing to the side just in case you don't want to get it grinds in there. You got to get that old pad out of there. So to do that, and I learned this the hard way, if you just go all the way open, it's going to blow up. So you want to get the pressure out. So I'm going to go halfway up. And you're going to hear it kind of pressurize. It blew up. You see some coffee came out? It's okay. So the coffee came out. If you wait a little bit, it'll depressurize by itself. Now I can go all the way up, and I can pull out the pack, the little cartridge. There it is. And I'll put the new one in. Put the new one in. Lock it tight, and pull my second shot. All right. These things, like I mentioned, they do blow up sometimes if it's too much pressure in there, so you want to kind of let it sit for a little bit before you change the pad, or you can very slowly open up this lever to let the pressure out, okay? That's it. It's use it if you want to. Use it at your own risk. Thank you very much, and enjoy. And by the way, if you want milk, just heat some milk up in the microwave. Bye-bye.